Hi, I'm Brian, and welcome into my office. Let's now take a look at this early 20th century book about the port of Amsterdam. Nice typography, beautiful cover design, 1914. It has been bound in red cloth. I suspect this was done a long time ago. I don't know that it's original to the book, but I can't say for sure. This is how the book came into us some time back, and I set it aside, enjoyed it in my own collection for a while, and have recently decided to let it go. And so now we'll walk through it, and I'll show you the contents. Those are the contents pages there. There is this historical folding eye view panorama of the city from the 1600s, reproduced in offset like so. And then we have the contents that are largely photographic images around the port area of Amsterdam, which today is still a bustling major port and a beautiful place to visit. And here is a folding view related to the Royal Yacht Club and jetties and so on. And what's perhaps most interesting is, well, we'll get to that in a second, are some maps, but this little section here, this is a little small stapled section that has separated from the text block, but is intact as is, and it is actually a very long folding panoramic view of the harbor area. And so that goes with this section here, which is a tariff of charges with more photographs like this. And that tucks neatly, perfectly just about really, right into here, because this is followed by this lithographed map and this lithographed map and this next rather wonderful port map like this. Yes, this is very nice, very nice. The details here, the Binnenstad, the so-called Binnenstad, the Oosterdok, the Westerdok, and so on. And yes, this is the heart of the city here, and you can actually take ferries across and ride your bike way out like so to Marken and places. And here is another very nice projected extension to the west. This is the projected extension, and this is the advertising section here, like this. There's this pink colored sheet, like so. Some of this is illustrated, and this is how this book survives. It appears to be complete, and it is available now online from me, Brian DeMambro.